Ngiyabonga ukuthola leli thuba ngivusele longanga CEO ngivusele iwomen ngivusele TD wethu ngivusele iwomen standing committee yethu ngivusele bothishela bethu kanye nebaceceshi bethu. Siyabonga ukuthola leli thuba lekuthi sibe nani baceceshi nite kutofunza kusukela kusaqala size sitophetha kanye sisasikubongela lokuba kukhulu. Siyathemba futhi ukuthi nisaphuma la sitawuhamba siye kusebenza lokhu bese kufunza sikusebente kulabantwana. Siyabonga FIFA naye ukuthi asendele leli thuba leli kanje lokuthi sibe nabomakela abanengi nabo babe siyababonga but siyabonga lokuthi nje sibe nabomakela abanengi lokhu ngibona batofundzisa labantwana ukuthi ibhola kufuna bayidlale kanjani. Siyathemba ukuthi sitawusebenzisana kanye singagcini ngalokufundza kuphela sobeka certificate tethu phasi sitati sebenzisa sifunze. Siyabonga sinifisela inhlanhla nesatochubeka nalo umsebenzi wekucecesha abantwana. Ngiyabonga. Thanking FIFA and IFA leadership, we extend deepest gratitude to FIFA for their global vision. Through your technical support and development programs, we have ensured that a young girl in Eswatini has the same dreams and opportunities as a girl everywhere in the world. To our President, Mr. Peter Simelane, and the Executive Committee, thank you for making women football cornerstone of your mandate. Your leadership ensures that grassroots is not just a word, but a well-funded reality that reaches every corner of our kingdom. The engine room, the CEO and the TD. To the CEO, Mr. Frederick Mngomezulu, and the CEO office, thank you for the logistical excellence that makes these programs possible. We also recognize our technical director, Mr. Bizam Konta, and the IFA staff. Your expertise ensures that our girls are learning the right way, with the right skills, the right values, the right joy of the game. The heart of the game, coaches and players. To our coaches, you are the first mentors these girls meet. Thank you for your patience and for being the guardians of their dreams. And finally, to our players, you are the stars of this show. Every time you lace up your boots, you are breaking barriers. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your hard work and for showing up all the future of Eswatini in female. As we close this program, let us remember that the whistle today is not an end, but a kickoff for the next chapter. Together, we are taking Eswatini football to the world. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you.